Hey guys, I don't have the regular equipment on today, so I'm just holding the DJI while I drive while I'm still in a residential zone. We're kind of doing a double header today. We're taking the Excursion in for an oil change and get the front end checked out. She's a little loose on the road. I don't know if you can see behind me or not, but Betsy's behind me. Her lease is her lease is up, so it's time for a new one. So we're kind of just doing both today since, you know, it's Saturday and we're not working. Piper's with us, and she wouldn't get into the truck. So I says, well, come on, Piper, we gotta go. And she says, well, are we going to an RV show? Unfortunately, I had to lie to her and say, yeah, because then she gets in the truck. But other than that, she don't really want to go for rides. Kind of funny. She's definitely my daughter. Hey guys, today we are going to be replacing the turning signal lenses here. You can see this one's cracked, coming apart. So I kind of wanted to go with a little bit newer look, so I picked these up. They were $37 for the set. Can't go wrong there. And we also are going to go ahead and we're replacing the headlight bulbs with LED, and we're also going to be doing LED turning signals in the front, back, and of course, you know, everyone knows that you get hyper flash. So I bought a circuit breaker just for that, so I'll show you how that works too. So this video is going to be kind of like a two-dayer because I'm going to get this stuff done, and then unfortunately the circuit breaker did not come today, so it's going to be delivered tomorrow. So I'm going to get all the lights in and all that, and then tomorrow I'll finish that off. But tonight we will take it for a drive. All the dash lights have been replaced, so I'll show you the difference on that. It took a little bit longer than I thought. I was going to have this video up about 2 weeks ago, but when I ordered the bulbs, I ordered T10s, and I forgot to order the T5s. So anywho, so let's get started here. First we're going to do the LED light bulbs. So I picked up this set on Amazon for about 45 bucks. This company claims that they're waterproof, and that was one of the reasons I went with this, because on the HHR we had the HID, but every time there was heavy rain it would fry out the ballast. So I want to try something that. So the HHR, I installed them today, and we'll see how those go. These are going in now, and this truck is definitely going to be an improvement because of the old bulbs, and you know, as I'm getting older, it's harder for me to see at night. So I'm hoping that these will do the trick. So in this set, you get two-way stickers and some zippy ties to tie up the wires. And the bulbs themselves has a built-in fan for cooling that just plugs into your original socket, and then you got a small little ballast right here. So that's the part you're going to want to stick in it if you can. Some spots are going to be tight because you don't want that rattling going down the road. On the HHR, there's nothing there, so I didn't actually do it. But on this, I'm going to see if I have room. And at first, I am going to actually just reach behind and pull them out. But if not, then I can just take these out. Fairly simple, you know, a couple screws. But I'm going to try just reaching back there and doing it, because this is really the whole thing. It's a very simple procedure. And I just got to slide the little sleeve down, or plastic bit, whatever you want to call it. Pop it off. There's the old hole. Next, I'm just going to set the wire down. You definitely want to keep this because it is going to help with, I don't think this is even on me, it will help with the connection of the new one. Alright, the new bulb's in. There's the new. And there's the old one still. Directions aren't totally clear on these when you're installing them, but basically, ouch. Yeah, you can't really even see down there. You have to take out the dust ring, then put it in, lock it into place, use the factory one. Then kind of slide the bulb in, and it seems like it just rotates and locks into place. So a little bit different. Definitely read the directions first, because it's it's not as straight and simple as putting the regular bulb in. Now in the HHR, I just popped them in and I was done. So, but those are different bulbs, but from the same company. Alright. I know it's windy and it's catching this, so I'm sorry, folks. Set this puppy dog down. Set that puppy dog down there. Passenger side's a little bit tighter because you got the windshield washer bottle. All right. Oh yeah, I like that. Most likely these are probably the first time these have been off the truck. You're gonna get to play around a little. There's a little rubber tip, as you will, right here, and right like back in here, it kind of holds it in. And over the years, they tend to stick. So we need to just pry it open. Here's one side.
Where's that? Would you please? Where's that? Would you please? Here.
This also has the projection. And make it nice and bright. That's gonna look really nice in those new lenses.